Stop eating na, Rolando, because ikaw na ang mag-audition.
Question ng bayan, nasan yung dalawa mong ngipin?
Wala na.
Ginanon lang. O, active muna tayo.
Aray ko.
Beer. Yes! Good luck. Go.
Hello, Miss Chris. Hello, Miss Ai Ai.
Hi!
Hello, Sir Fred.
How old are you and what's your name?
I am Rolando Ambok ng Dessert.
Bakit naubusan ka ng ngipin?
Wala na. Binunot ng mama ko.
Ay, at least. Sana tumubo pa, no?
Opo.
Bakit na sisira yung ngipin mo? Mahilig ka sa chocolate?
Hindi.
Saan po?
Candies.
Candy.
Opo.
Opo.
Ano gagawin mo ngayon?
Makakanta po ako.
Okay, go!
I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from your love cells. Your soul started but I only it's you. I want to break free. Yeah. God knows I want to break free. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time, and this time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Hey! God knows I've fallen in love. It's weird, but it's true. I can't get over the way you love me like you do, but I have to be sure when I walk out that door. Ooh, I want to break free. Ooh, I want to break free. Oh, I want to break free. Thank you! Thank you, Miss Chris. Thank you, Miss Ai Ai. And thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Cagayan de Oro City.
Rolando, alam mo, merong mga very talented na kids, pero hindi ka may in love sa kanila. Pero merong mga kids na sobrang cute, na talagang gusto mong yakap-yakapin at gusto mong iuwi sa sobrang pagka-cute.
Thank you, Miss Chris.
Ako, Rolando, isa lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. You rock my world!
Thank you, Miss Ai Ai. You rock my world too.
Alam mo, ang ayoko dun sa performance mo. Kasi lakad ka ng lakad dyan, nahihilo ako. Pero I think you have pure talent. You're very good.
Hey, very good.
O sige, syempre, sabi ko, di ba? You rock my world! Ako rin!
Yes!
Thank you.
Ako, sa palagay mo, mag-yes ako o no?
Yes. Yes po.
Sige, it's a yes.
See you, Rolando, sa next round.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Confidence is fantastic.
Kakaloka si Bagets.
Arigo, kinuha mo ang buong Cagayan de Oro, buong Pilipinas, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Anong pakiramdam mo ngayong tatlong yes ka?
I'm happy today.
And tomorrow?
I'm happy too.
Good job, congratulations.
Thank you.